Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as you see that the daily candle here, it finished and the market gave us there like another pin bar. So now did the Bitcoin from here going to break that 38k and going to 47k as we've been saying, or from here is going to go back down? To know exactly where is the Bitcoin is going to go, make sure to watch the video from the start till the end and don't try to skip nothing. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a subscribe button down, smash it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified, and that is for your benefit, believe me, that for your own benefit. Or you can even join our VIP Discord or VIP Telegram, where we given daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, not only in the Bitcoin, Ethereum, other cryptocurrencies. Guys, if you are interested to invest the right way, if you are interested, the link is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle here, it finished in that level here, and the Bitcoin it gave us there like another pin bar here, as you see it, or a doji. Names doesn't matter. Now what shall we do? At this time there is nothing, guys, as we still waiting here that inside bar as we been talking about. We got here a very clear divergence here in the volume, as you see it, that the divergence here as we talking about. Shall we enter short? Well, now there is nothing, guys, as we still waiting, and me personally thinking as we're going to stay like that till the end of this month, because investors, they are all of them, they are not confident till that time. So that level here, I tell it to you yesterday, the 38k, there is a lot of sell orders there. They need first to be liquidated, those ones here, for market to boost and to go up. And as you see it down here, look at the volume when we push in here, that push up here from that level there, and the volume is just going down like that. So it's need the first thing, the volume, to come here and to break down here that downtrend which is down here, for us to know the market it will go up. So till now that doesn't happen, and we haven't break that 38k level here. So till now as we still waiting, guys. Another thing now, very important here, without the volume, let me take it off that volume. Is it that one here, those moving averages? As you see, guys, look at the 50 moving average where it is now. Is it at 34,401? That the level, if the Bitcoin going to make a correction, we are just going to fall down to here to the 34k, but I don't think so, because even now that 36k, very stronger level now. That way we don't see the Bitcoin falling down those days. So let's wait and what's going to happen, and me personally thinking from that level we are going to see a major pump. So if you are a long-term investor, do like me, that's what I'm doing till now. I put a pending order here at the 50 moving average, another one here at the 101, in case if anything happen, because if it's going to happen, it's going to happen by power. So those orders they will be buying, and from that level here, I just say those days every day I buy a little bit of Bitcoin, but for long term, guys. So if you are interested to catching big moves and to double your money or triple it, that's my way. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see the coming news, because today we got very important news. So let's go in there. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, that the news we got today is very busy day, as majority of you didn't know that every Thursday we see a major pump or dump. As you see it, guys, we got CPI of Eurozone, core PCI. I've been talking about that one thousands of times here in that channel. I've been telling you that core PCI, that the inflation, the Fed it follow. As you see it, guys, is going to come at 1:30 GMT time. Plus, we got initial jobless claim and pending home sales. That's what we got today. You need to be focused just about those ones here. CPI data of the Eurozone plus the core PCI of USA. Those ones, they are going to impact the market. And tomorrow we got the Fed Chair Powell speech. I think everything is too clear, guys. And here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day. As you see it, guys, what's it doing here? US market, even US market today, it's been very, very, very flat. No move, no nothing. So us, we still waiting what's going to happen today. Here, our friend, the VIX, it moved a little bit today. It's very close to break 13. And I tell it to you, when we touch that 12, I told you, we've been at the overbought area. So as you see it, it's 12.98. So I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see what the Ethereum doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. Here, people, they are with me. They know me. I enter a long from here. Tell them I'm still keeping my long. Market fall down. It touch here, the trend line here. That time when me I enter in that break here. Market fall down, touch it here. Now I told you it need to go up to break that last high for us to know that breakout is real. Till now it couldn't. As you see it, look at it. From here, fall down, touch the trend line here. Now it's need down to go up, but it doesn't. What it done here, go up here, it's showing to us there is no power to go more higher to break that last high, which is here. Instead, now it's giving us here a new price action, guys. Look with me here what I'm showing you. It tried to give you here like a head and shoulder, that the head and that the shoulder. The neckline is down here. That one here, if it's getting broke here in that place, you can enter a short, guys, as you see it. So you need to be focused about that one. I'll show you something else in the previous videos. I'll show you here that triangle here. Even that one, it's possible. If it's getting broke here, you can enter a short, guys. And as you see it, look at that head and shoulder. May I just show you here? Look at it, how clear it is here. That the head and shoulder. If it's getting broke here, you can enter a short, guys. So I think picture is too clear. Now what shall we do? Hey, personally, I think we are going to stay more sideways till the market take off up or down. Now everything is looking sideways or flat as you see it, guys. There is no moves. So till now, as we still waiting what's going to happen. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, after it came here, now it fall down here. Now we are here in the middle. Even that indicator here is telling us we are in a flat market. Look at it. Very, very, very flat. He touched the top down here a lot of times, as you see it, guys, here. Same thing. Yes, in the chart it look different here, but down here it give us we are in a flat market, so there is nothing new. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are in the Bitcoin, guys. Here in the Bitcoin, I tell it to you in yesterday video. I told you also we are in a very, very stronger level like that in the top. Until now, every time when Bitcoin he came here, there is no power to go more higher because I told you there is a high volume here or high pending short order there. Every time they try to push the Bitcoin down. And down here now, you can make something like that, like a triangle here, like that, as you see it, and you're waiting if it's going to be broken down to enter a short, if we're breaking high to enter a long. How did I do all those things? You came here to the one and you draw in here like that, a level here or a square like that, and down here you came to those ones and you do it like that. So you got here a triangle and you're waiting if it's breaking here, there is more short. If it's breaking higher here, there is more long. Me tell now I'm still holding that long swing trading. We enter in it from here. Tell now us we still waiting. But for those ones they haven't entered with us, if the market breaking higher here, we're going to enter more long. If the market breaking down here, we're going to enter a short. To know exactly when is the right time to enter long or to enter short, I've been telling you to join us in our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram. The link is down in the description of that video if you are interested. And by the way, it's not expensive. It's only $10, and believe me that $10 you're going to back it within one signal, my friend. That is up to you. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see our indicator what it's saying today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, you remember we fall down here. Now it go back up here, and I tell it to you before. Look with me here. I'm going to delete that things in the chart. Look here. If you came here to that high here and you doing here a square like that, and down here you do it like that, same price action as we got in the chart. Is it here as you see it? Yeah, no, it doesn't breaking down here for that one to go to the oversold area, and it's not yet breaking that 38k. So also we still waiting what's going to happen here, guys. Everything is too clear. So here in our indicator, what can we say? There is a war between buyers and sellers, or bulls and bears, as you see it. Every time the market he fall down, bulls they push it back up, and here the bears same thing. Every time he came there they push it down. So there is a war, and also time of war we need to sit and wait, and I've been telling you that always passion is the key of success, guys. So everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. I've been talking about it thousands of times. We got here a very clear divergence like that. Should we enter short? Not yet, my friend. Also we don't enter based on indicators. Also we enter based on price action. Till now we haven't breaking down here. That one smaller trend line. The major trend line is it that one here. I talk about it thousands of times. Not yet getting broke here for us to enter a short, and the market couldn't break that last high here for us to enter a long. So tell now market showing to us is it sideways here all along here. Now let's see if we are going to break that 38k, because it's being touched a lot of times. Look at that, first, second, third, fourth, and now we are the fifth time, and those sellers they still very powerful. Let's see if we are going to break it or not. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in yesterday video also we enter a short from here. A stop loss it was here. Market reverse up and it hit it here. Today market he give me here that very clear double top here as you see it here, and that the neckline here. It getting broke here. I enter a short me. I put stop loss again in the top here. I'm waiting that one to fall down. So you, if you haven't entered, same line here, that one here of the neckline of the double top, you extend it and you waiting if any candle break it, you can enter a short. Another thing you can make here, you can do something like that, like a uptrend here. If any candle break it here, you can enter a short. That's for the short. Or you can do something else, guys. Here you can do like that. Look with me here. You came to that low here and that one here, and here in the top you came, you do it like that. You connecting that tails here, that one and that one, and you waiting if the market going to break down here to enter short. If it's breaking above here, enter long. Today there is news coming, so be careful. So everything is too clear, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's very close to touch oversold area. That level here, it's still very stronger. Every time it's being touched, market reverse. Now let's see what's going to happen here. Over here, market try to give us like a small double bottom, but today investors they are being worried because coming news of today. That way we don't see big volume, but the volume is coming today, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.